Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney. I'm located in Ithaca, New York. Today I'd like to answer the question, what are the Miranda warnings? I would have to say the most common thing when people call me and they're talking about their criminal case is whether the police did or did not give them the Miranda or when the police gave them the Miranda. It's the most common thing that they want to talk about. They want to say, well, the police didn't give me my Miranda warnings. And I don't think people really fully understand what the Miranda warnings really are. The Miranda warnings relate to one thing and one thing only. They relate to your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. So the Miranda is really about statements that you make to the police. And we all know, because we see from the TV sets and the movies that we've watched where there's police and there's interaction amongst citizens, they give the 4 parts to the Miranda. Number 1, you have a right to remain silent. That's your Fifth Amendment right. Second part of the Miranda. You have the right to an attorney, both before and during questioning. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you free of charge before and during questioning. Anything you say can and will be used against you. So those are the 4 parts to the Miranda. And the real thing about Miranda is, if they didn't give you the Miranda properly or a timely fashion, and you didn't understand it in the past, maybe some of the statements that you made to the police could be shown to not be voluntary. And that was the real thing about Miranda, were the statements really voluntary. Nowadays, do we really have an issue with Miranda? Because we've had recent 2010 Supreme Court cases which said that you have to invoke your Miranda rights to have your Miranda rights. You have to say, I want an attorney, or I have a right to remain silent, I'm not talking to you. Otherwise, they consider just about everything that you say to the police to be free game to use against you. If you have any questions about your DWI case, a personal injury case in the state of New York, I'd be more than happy to talk to you about it. This is what I do. Please feel free to give me a call.